Stereo receivers remain a cornerstone of home audio, combining amplification, source switching, and decoding to power passive speakers with clarity and space-saving convenience. This comparison analyzes 5 widely available models across a price spectrum from budget to premium, focusing on real-world performance, feature sets, and value.
List number 1. Sony STR-DH190 2-channel home stereo receiver with phono inputs. The STR-DH190 is a compact 2-channel receiver that emphasizes classic turntable compatibility with a dedicated phono input, Bluetooth streaming, and A and B speaker switching. It provides 100 watts per channel at 8 ohms, a reasonable power figure for entry-level passive speakers, and a low-profile chassis designed to fit in standard AV cabinets. Notable features include a full set of analog inputs, 4 stereo RCA, plus a 3.5mm aux, and a phono stage, making it a versatile option for vinyl enthusiasts who want straightforward Bluetooth playback without extra digital baggage. In this price band, its combination of built-in phono and dual-zone capable speaker outputs is a strong differentiator, especially for users with multiple listening areas or speaker sets. Performance-wise, the STR-DH190 focuses on musical clarity rather than room-filling cinema. The large power transformer is cited as a design emphasis, which tends to yield cleaner transients and lower distortion at moderate listening levels. The 2-channel emphasis means it excels with stereo music in small to medium rooms, delivering solid detail, a stable soundstage, and straightforward integration with turntables via the phono input.
List number 2. Yamaha RS202BL stereo receiver. The Yamaha RS202BL is a straightforward Bluetooth-enabled stereo receiver with 2-channel output and dual-system speaker terminals. It emphasizes clean, simple design with a focus on reliable amplification and ease of use. Its feature set includes Bluetooth connectivity, FM/AM presets, 40 stations, and 2 speaker zones, making it a practical option for small living rooms or a secondary system. While exact price details aren't provided in the data, its positioning suggests a budget to mid-tier stance with solid Yamaha engineering heritage and an uncluttered user experience. Performance-wise, the RS202BL delivers dependable stereo performance, suitable for background music and casual listening at moderate volumes. The built-in Bluetooth is stable for streaming from mobile devices, and the dual-zone capability adds flexibility for running 2 sets of speakers or separate rooms. The absence of HDMI or advanced room calibration means users should pair it with well-matched speakers and source components. The brushed aluminum aesthetic and compact footprint are welcome for shelf placement, though the lack of more expansive input options limits future expandability.
List number 3. Yamaha RXV385 5.1 channel 4K Ultra HD AV receiver with Bluetooth. The RXV385 represents Yamaha's entry into 5.1 channel listening with modern HDMI connectivity, 4K HDR support, and Bluetooth wireless streaming. It features Yaepow auto calibration, 4 HDMI inputs, and support for Dolby Digital and DTS formats, positioning it as a capable small to mid-sized home theater system with easy setup and automatic room optimization. Its 5.1 configuration makes it a practical bridge between stereo listening and modest surround sound in compact rooms. In use, the RXV385 excels at turning a basic home theater into an engaging experience with easy setup via Yaepow and intuitive on-screen guidance. The HDMI 2.1/HDCP 2.2 compatibility ensures future-proofed video sources, while Bluetooth adds wireless music playback. However, as an entry-level receiver, it may not deliver the same level of dynamic headroom or advanced room correction as higher-tier models, and audio performance will be strongly influenced by the paired speakers. It's a strong all-rounder for those prioritizing ease of use and modern HDMI features in a modest budget.
List number 4. Sony STR-DH590 5.2 channel surround sound home theater receiver, 4K HDR AV receiver with Bluetooth. The STR-DH590 is a 5.2 channel Sony AV receiver offering 4K HDR pass-through, Bluetooth streaming, and S-Force Pro front virtual surround processing, which simulates surround with a 2-speaker setup. It expands to 5.2 channels for a more immersive movie experience, and includes 4-in, 1-out HDMI connections plus an optical coax digital option. With a price of $348, it sits at the premium end of this group, delivering more channels and better room-filling potential than strict 2-channel units. Performance-wise, the STR-DH590 is optimized for home theater use cases, providing virtual surround upmixing when you only have 2 speakers and reliable 4K HDR pass-through for compatible forces. The 725W total power rating, presumably at 6 ohms, suggests respectable peak headroom for multi-channel playback. The downside is that the model relies on virtual surround rather than a true 5.1 decoding capability, so discerning audiophiles may note a difference compared with true discrete surrounds.
List number 5. Stereo receivers, home audio amplifier with DSP display. The Docro SR3800 is positioned as a budget-friendly 5.1-channel home theater amplifier with a notably large DSP display, Bluetooth 5.4, and multiple input options including USB, AUX, OPT/coax, CD, DVD, and multiple mic inputs. It advertises 300 watts total output with 58 watts per channel into a 4 to 16 ohm load, marking it as a value-oriented option that embraces multi-source capabilities and an emphasis on user-adjustable DSP settings. Performance-wise, Docro emphasizes real-time spectrum analysis and a broad input matrix, which can be appealing for hobbyists who appreciate on-screen visual feedback and flexible mic and instrument integration. The cooling system with fans and side vents targets stable operation under multi-channel or startup load, though audible fan noise should be considered when music is quiet. The system is clearly designed for passive speaker setups and passive subwoofers with external amplification, making it a practical solution for home studios or budget home theater on a tight budget.